Like lately, you've given me the cold shoulder. Maybe it's just time that I replace you.
Okay, working on this furnace. I'm on a furnace.
Replace your old furnace today.
Show you what
with
it's doing.
0% APR 60-month financing with payment on select
Cooley's
Carrier
there.
units. Turn to the experts.
Right in Georgia, www.cooleysair.com.
Carrier dealer.
Watch what happens in the furnace. See how it comes on and goes off? Okay. Go say it again. So the tenant, when the landlord calls me up and he said that the furnace runs sometime. It runs sometime. But in other times it just doesn't run. You see how the flame, the hot surface igniter comes on, lights the flame goes back out. This is how we're gonna fix that problem if we're having that problem. Kill the power. Y'all can see the whole furnace. Gotta get up in here. See if I can get down there. Here's a tight spot. Y'all see this workspace? I'm in the attic. Very tight up here. So, there's something called a flame rectification. We're gonna clean that off first, which is that little piece right here. Y'all can see that. This piece right here. Make sure my phone's. Y'all can see that piece. The little rod that sits. Little rod that sits in the flame that tells the board it's okay for you to come on. So let's unhook that. Unhook that. And I'm going to use a take that off right here. Try to do this with one hand. Let me see if I can put this phone down. Try it like that. I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but take my word for it. Phone now. Y'all give me a minute. Okay, this is the part. I pulled it from this little spot right up in here. Y'all can see that from that little hole. This is called a flame rectification. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some sandpaper or even a dollar bill. It doesn't look bad, but we're going to clean this thing off and see what it does. Be with you in a minute. Okay, I'm back. Okay, y'all see this sandpaper? I just took the sandpaper here and I scraped it on this little rod. Clean it off even better. It didn't look too bad, but we're gonna put this back in here and it has to go right in the flame. Let me get the screw. Let it hold there for a second. That back part look a little funny, but let's try it now. Hit the switch. Let's see what it do. This This is a minor unit. Nice unit. 40,000 BTU. That's the hot service igniter. Okay. See the flame is staying on now? All it takes is a piece of sandpaper. Clean that rod that goes in the flame. Let's put the flame rectification sensor. We got heat. And voila. We got heat. www.coolgzero.com. Please like, subscribe, share this video if you need to. Homeowners, you can save a ton of money by learning a few operations on your gas equipment. Just make sure you have a switch or something like that to kill the power. You don't want to work on a live unit. And a piece of sandpaper on that flame rectification switch. And then we're done. All set. www.coolgzero.com. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.
Get your ass out of park. Get your ass out of park. Get your ass out of park. And drive. Put the car in gear. Get your ass out of park. Get your ass out of park. Get your ass out of park. And drive. What you gonna do sitting in park? What you gonna do sitting in park? Get your ass out of park.